of Irish history. Shipwrecked. The Spanish soldier stood on the beach at Ballyliffin. He had managed to swim ashore from the sinking ship, the last wind-blown straggler of the failed armada. And he eyed at the far end of the strand a castle, wondering what nobleman lorded it there, and whether a servant was peering at him now through a telescope. Were dogs loping their way to him across the sand? He was renowned in Burgos for his way with hounds, and he had some English, but they spoke Irish here. Had he escaped drowning to be hacked to pieces, then devoured by a pack of Irish wolfhounds? He wished he had a box of the gold bars that had been on the ship. They would have bought him any amount of armour. He looked around for rocks to hide behind and wait. For what? There would be no rescue from Spain, nor from any of these indigenous Irish, although he was here to help them defeat the brutal Protestant English. But what help could he deliver alone? Still, hadn't those at home welcomed the exiled Donegal Prince O'Donnell and named a long avenue in central Madrid after him? And hadn't they sent a whole armada to help the Irish? No one could have factored in such a huge storm. How many like him stood on a windy northern beach, wondering what could be in store for them? He wished he'd done research and knew the word for hungry, if nothing else. He wished he'd done a course in Irish. He'd heard that Irish girls were the lookers of Europe. Maybe he'd get lucky and a beauty would rescue him.